sexy welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. Yep, today doing another one. This is you guys already know, I have a couple videos about these lenses. These are the 2x4 biking lenses, but in my last video I broke it and everything, and they gave me another one and it fell again, guys. So now they send me the fixed shade. The other one, it was different. You can adjust the shade from 9 to 13. This one is just fixed shade 10. I charge it in the sun for like 20 minutes, should be good. Got my hood right here. I'm gonna do this coupon with my brother. We'll see how it does. Hopefully it can last more than a month, like the other one didn't last a week. So maybe I got a bad batch, I don't know. They said it could be a bad batch, or maybe the variable control one is the one that doesn't work. This is the fixed shade. This is gonna be the third time I try these lenses. Like I said, I have a couple videos for you guys to check it out. So without further ado, let's get to it. And sexy welding people from YouTube. That was it for today's video, guys. Just me and my brother practiced a little bit. I used the Lincoln 4C Auto Darkening Shade Tint. I use this lens again, guys, the third time. This is a fixed shade though. It's not the variable one like the other ones that I used before. This is fixed. So we'll see. Right now it worked awesome. Clear. Everything's perfect. 100%. Alright. I'll let you know how they do. Right now, you know, it's brand new. It should work. Alright. But other than that, guys, don't forget, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. Other than that, guys, just stay safe out there, keep welding, God bless, and I'll see you next time. Bye.